Hello, let me show you how we can connect our Samsung Galaxy S25 with our Windows PC by using a link to Windows and phone link on a computer. So first of all, we need to go to settings, and then in the settings go to connected devices, and then over here we need to find link to Windows. Let's open it. Once it loads up, you will see this information, and what we need to do is sign into the same Microsoft account that we have on our computer, or we can scan the QR code that we can get from our PC. So on your PC, what you need to do is get phone link. If you don't have it yet, you can find it in the Microsoft Store as an example, and then you need to select that you have Android. After that, you will generate this QR code that lasts 10 minutes, and you need to scan it with your phone. So on your phone, what you need to do is select sign in using the QR code. Of course, we want to allow to the access to the camera, and simply scan the QR code from the screen. Then press continue on your phone. On your computer you will see a code with 6 characters, and we need to enter it. So for some reason we cannot see what we enter, but there we go. So this is my code, and I'm gonna press continue, and let's wait a couple of seconds to see what happens. There we go. Now we need to sign into the Microsoft account. So in my case, I have to send code to my Gmail in order to enter it. So if you have the same, just do the same thing. And after you press to sign in, it looks like this. So we can allow messages, the option to view messages for the phone link. So let's proceed with every permission that it is asked to grant. We don't have to help them improve. And there we go, device link incomplete. We can press done. Once again, deny here. Of course, we will find some settings regarding link to Windows, including our account and so on. And on desktop, it looks like this. We should see that we are all set, so we can press continue. And soon we should see the window with phone link. So it should look something like this. If it didn't open, then you want to once again go to the phone link. And now if you want to, you can open phone link whenever you are signed into Windows, whenever you start your PC. I'm just gonna press get started. And there we go. We can also finish it setting up notifications. So we can click open settings on mobile device. On your phone, you will jump to notification access, and we can grant permission to link to Windows. There we go. So that we can see notifications on your computer over here. And that is pretty much all. You can go to photos, you can see all apps that you have over here. At least you should be able to. You might need to grant some permissions here and there in order to see more stuff on your phone. You can also, for example, get the screen sharing option. So it looks like this. We need to grant permission on the phone. So on phone, you want to select you agree, and you want to allow mirroring. We can also allow the access to the microphone. And there we go. Now we have our screen from phone, and of course we can use it normally. So we can use our phone from our computer as well. So that is essentially it. You can swipe the screen or press the power button in order to use the phone as well. And if you want to, you can just simply close the screen sharing on your PC. Nothing bad should happen. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.